Welcome to the Quality Control Simulation. Quality control is a process that scientists use to find and reduce analytical errors and improve the reliability of laboratory testing. This simulation has two parts. In Part 1, you'll learn about various statistical tools, while in Part 2, you'll analyze data from a laboratory test. To begin, select the Statistics button. Selecting the various blue buttons at the top of the screen provides information on completing some statistical tests, including the mean and standard deviation. Two important graphical tools are also presented by selecting the blue buttons. When you've finished reviewing the statistical portion of the simulation, select the Analysis button at the bottom of the screen to continue. Start by selecting the Practice button. Select the circular rack of test tubes containing laboratory samples and drag the rack to the open chemical analyzer. Select the Close button and then the Start button to analyze the samples. The new screen provides the name of the analyte along with the lot number. The screen also displays the results of the 20 test tubes analyzed. Calculate the standard deviation for the samples and enter the results on the right-hand side of the screen. Also, enter the values for 2 and 3 standard deviations. Calculate and enter the acceptable limits, both the upper and lower values, and the range of the dataset. Determine and enter the number of data points outside the acceptable limits and the coefficient of variance. Select the Checked Answer button to have your answer evaluated. Selecting the New Dataset button replaces this dataset with an entirely different analyte and dataset.